Meaning of incursion.
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 Incursion. The term incursion refers to an invasion or hostile attack into a territory or area that is typically defended or protected. The result of an incursion can be devastating, leading to loss of life and property damage. In some cases, it can lead to long-term political or economic instability. An incursion can be carried out by military forces, insurgent groups, or even individuals. It is often a deliberate and strategic move aimed at gaining control of a particular region or resource. Overall, an incursion is a serious event that can have significant consequences for all those involved.